Chimpanzees are one of the smartest animals on land. They can use tools, learn sign language, and solve complex problems. Their thinking ability is very close to that of humans. Elephants have excellent memory and strong social intelligence. They show emotions like empathy and can recognize themselves in mirrors. Octopuses are very smart sea creatures. They can open jars, escape from tanks, and use camouflage to hide from predators. Clever animals show intelligence through problem-solving, communication, and learning abilities. Studying them helps scientists understand how intelligence develops in nature.